Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and disconnecting the dual sense. This prevents shorting while you work. Once done, remove the back plate by locating the hidden screws and using a T5. Gentle pressure prevents stripping. Make sure to keep screws in a container and separate parts by order so reassembly is straightforward. Use a plastic pry tool to release clips rather than metal. This protects the shell. Air and isopropyl are ready for later cleaning, so you won't interrupt the flow. You'll now lift the PCB carefully to expose the thumbstick module. Note ribbon cable positions so you won't pinch them on reassembly. Once exposed, blast compressed air to dislodge dust, then lightly swab the potentiometer with isopropyl. This dissolves oils that cause drifting. You should test the analog movement manually to feel resistance. Unevenness suggests wear. If the potentiometer looks corroded or loose, replace the module rather than. Once parts are clean and secured, reassemble in reverse order. Make sure cables sit flat and screws are snug but not over-tightened to avoid cracking. You then reconnect the controller and update firmware so the system recognizes hardware changes. Use the PS5 controller calibration and test menus to check dead zone and drift. Small adjustments can remove minor offset. If drift remains after cleaning, replace the thumbstick module or inspect solder joints, because persistent behavior indicates component wear or electrical fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.